Hi, welcome to our Mautic CRM video series provided by Higher Education Marketing. Today, we will be exploring Mautic's dashboard and showing you how to add new dashboard reports. Let's get started. When you first log into Mautic, the dashboard is the first page you'll see. You can also navigate to it using the first button on the main menu. To add a new report, click the arrow button in the top right-hand corner of your dashboard to open a drop-down menu. Then select Add Widget to create a new report. You will then be brought to a form where you can name your report, select what type of data you want to track, such as recent activity or downloads in time, as well as adjust the size of your report through the width and height options. When you've finished your report, simply click Save and your new custom report will appear in your school's dashboard. And that's it. Now you know how to create new reports in your Mautic dashboard. For more videos, you can check out the Mautic CRM section of our website at higher-education-marketing.com.